You'll never throw away toilet paper tubes again. The first thing we need is our favorite curtain, the metal rod where we usually hang it, and some paper tubes, like those from toilet paper. Let's begin. Take the first hole of the curtain and place it on the metal rod. Then, slide a paper tube right after the hole. Now, take the next hole of the curtain and repeat the process. Place the hole on the rod, and then add another paper tube. We keep repeating this step, hole, paper tube, until the entire curtain is evenly distributed along the metal rod. Once you're done, we'll put the rod with the curtain back in its usual place. And that's it. Look at how your curtain now looks uniform, tidy, and much more elegant. Curtains often don't slide well. They get wrinkled, bunch up in certain areas, and honestly, this makes the space look messy and unattractive. It's also tricky to open and close them because the weight isn't evenly distributed. By using these paper tubes, we ensure that the curtain slides smoothly without snags or bunching. Plus, everything stays perfectly aligned, giving a sense of order and style. It's amazing how much a room can change with such a simple detail.